Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much. I think the kids did an awesome job. They really, really did. The songs, the motions, and all of the lines they memorized. All the kids, they've been working on a long time. They memorized their lines, and I think they did a great job. But the thing is, it's the message behind it. I mean, what they presented tonight was the gospel and what Christ did for us. And I just hope that you were able to see that through it. And I just think we should give the kids another big round of applause.